This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles out of fruit. First, select your favorite ripe fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, or mangoes. Combine approximately 2 cups of your chosen fruit with 1/4 cup of water or juice in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. If your fruit isn't naturally sweet enough, you can add a small amount of honey or agave nectar to taste. Once your fruit mixture is perfectly smooth, carefully pour it into your popsicle molds. Remember to leave a little room at the top for expansion as they freeze. Next, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure the sticks are straight so they are easy to hold later. Place the filled molds into your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours or until they are completely frozen solid. After your popsicles are thoroughly frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To make removal simple, run the bottom of the popsicle mold under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps loosen the frozen treat. Then, gently pull on the popsicle stick to release it from the mold. Now you have a delicious, healthy, and refreshing snack ready to enjoy. They are perfect for a warm day. If you have any popsicles left over, you can easily store them for later enjoyment. Simply place them in an airtight container or a freezer bag. They will stay fresh and tasty in your freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you need a cool treat. Also, for more great tips and deals, be sure to check the description below this video. You'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.